Hello, in this video we are going to learn class 9 maths 2 practice set 6.1. Okay, see, I have already written some given example and given data because while making video, if I writing given data in between, then it is time consuming. Videos are getting too lengthy to upload and it may be boring to all, so I'm writing only given data. Calculation will be live. Okay, question number 1, distance of chord AB from the center of a circle is 8 centimeter. Distance of chord AB from the center of a circle is 8 centimeter. Length of chord is 12 centimeter. Find the diameter of the circle. There is a what we have to find is diameter of a circle. This is the OA is a radius and twice the radius is always diameter. So let's assume O be the center of a circle because it is not given. Segment OM parallel to chord AB such that A dash M dash B. Yes, this OM parallel to perpendicular to chord AB. We know that perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. What we know? Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. Bisect means what? Making two equal points. Therefore, AM is equal to MB is equal to half of AB, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Now what I have done? Draw OA. Yes, then OMA is triangle is formed. So in triangle OMA, by Pythagoras theorem, OA square is equal to OM square plus AM square. Yes, we don't know the value of OA square. What is OM? OM square is 8 square. AM is 6 square. 64 plus 36, which is equal to 100. Therefore, OA square is equal to 100. Make this square to this side. Square root of 100. Therefore, OA is equal to 10 centimeter. Yes. But what we want is diameter. OA is the radius. Therefore, twice the OA is equal to diameter. Therefore, D is equal to 2 into 10. Therefore, D is equal to 20 centimeter. Are you getting what I have done? D is equal to 20 centimeter. Therefore, you have to write down the final answer. Diameter of circle is equal to 20 centimeter. Are you getting? Okay. Next example. Question number 2. Diameter of a circle is 26 centimeter. Length of a chord of a circle is 24 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center. What they have given? Diameter of circle is given 26. PQ means chord is given. Diameter is given. Chord is given. What we have to find? The center distance of the chord from the center. This we have to find. Okay. You have to do naming first. You have to draw the diagram and naming first. Let O be the center of a circle. Segment PQ is the chord. Segment OM is perpendicular to segment PQ such that P dash M dash Q. Yes, this is you have to write. PQ is 24 centimeter. Yes, it is given. The chord of a circle, length of a chord of a circle is 24 centimeter. Diameter of a circle is 26. Yes. Then what is radius? R is equal to D upon 2. Yes, no? Then what is r? 26 upon 2. Therefore r is equal to 13 centimeter. Yes. What is r? Is PO. Yes, no? OP. Therefore OP is equal to 13 centimeter. Now PM is equal to MR is equal to half of PQ. What is reason? Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle is bisect the chord. Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord is bisect the chord. Therefore PM is equal to MQ is equal to half of 24, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Now which measurements we calculated? PM and OP. Now from the Pythagoras theorem you can find out the value of OM. Yes, no? Let's find out. OP is 13 square, which is equal to OM is 12 square plus OM is we have to find. OM is we have to find, and PM is 12 square. Yes, 13 square is 169. OM remains as it is, plus 12 centimeter. 12 square is 144. Therefore OM square is equal to 169 minus 144. Therefore OM square is equal to 25. Therefore OM is equal to square root of 25. OM is equal to 5 centimeter. 25 is the square root of 5 centimeter. Therefore distance, final answer, distance of the chord from the center of a circle is 5 centimeter. Are you getting? This final answer you have to compulsory write. Okay. Third example. The radius of a circle is 34 centimeter and distance of chord from the center is 30 centimeter. This is radius of a circle is 34. The distance of chord from the center of a circle is 30 centimeter. Find the total length of a chord. See, let O be the center of a circle and segment AB is the chord. You have to name the chord, radius, okay, the perpendicular you have drawn from the center of a circle to the chord. You have to name all the things. Let O be the center of a circle, segment AB is the chord, and segment OC is perpendicular to chord AB such that A dash C dash B. OA is 34 centimeter, OC is 30 centimeter. Now the triangle is formed OCA. Yes, and this is 90 degree. Yes, no? Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem, OA square is equal to OC square plus AC square. In this formula, you by using this method, you can find out the value of AC. Yes, therefore 34 square is equal to 30 square plus AC square. What is 34 square is 1156, which is equal to 900 plus AC square. Therefore AC square is equal to 1156 minus 900. AC square is equal to 256. Therefore AC is equal to square root of 256. Therefore AC is equal to 16 centimeter. Now which value we have got? AC, which is half of the AB, because OCA is the 90 degree. Yes, no? Why? Because perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord and made angle 90 degree. Yes. Therefore AC is 16 centimeter. chord AB, now chord AB is 2 times AC. Therefore, chord AB is equal to 2 into 16. Therefore, chord AB is equal to 32 centimeter. Are you getting? Yes. Therefore, write down the final answer. Length of chord is 32 centimeter. Are you getting? Yes? Okay. Next example, fourth example. Fourth example, radius of a circle with center O is 41 centimeter length of a chord PQ, center O. PQ is 80 centimeter. Center O, the length of a chord PQ is 80 centimeter. Find the distance of a chord from the center of a circle. You have to find out OR. Okay. Let O be the center of a circle. Yes. And PQ is the chord. Segment OR is perpendicular to chord PQ. Here PQ is 80 centimeter. Yes. OP, radius of a circle, is 41 centimeter. But what is PR? It is half of PQ. Because perpendicular, you should write down the reason over there. Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. Therefore, PR is equal to half of 80. Therefore, PR is equal to 40 centimeter. Are you getting? Now, in triangle ORP, you can see that the triangle is formed. ORP, from Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to OR square plus BR square. We have to find out the value of OR, which we don't have, but we have the value of OP and PR. So by these two values, you can find out the value of OR. Yes, no? So OP square is 41 square is equal to OR is we have to find remains as it is. PR is 40 square. 41 square is 1681 OR square and 40 square is 1600. Therefore, OR square is equal to 1681 minus 1600, which is equal to 81. Therefore, OR square is equal to 81. OR is equal to square root of 81. This square moves to the other side of is equal to sign becomes square root. Therefore, OR is equal to 9 centimeter. Yes. Now, what is the final answer? Final answer is the distance of the chord. The distance of the chord from the center of a circle is 9 centimeter. Are you getting? Yes? Okay. Next example. This is the direct proof I have wrote. Yes, question number 5 is what is the direct proof. There is no major calculations over here. So please listen to me very carefully. In the given figure, center of a circle is O. Yes, they have given it's O. Chord AB of bigger circle intersect the smaller circle in points P and Q. Chord AB of bigger circle intersect the smaller circle at P and Q. Yes. So show that AP is equal to BQ. Yes. Now you have to write down the given data first. What is given? Two concentric circles. These are the concentric circle whose centers are common, yes, whose centers are common is called concentric circle. So two concentric circle having center O. This is the given data. What is to prove? AP is equal to BQ we have to prove. Now do the construction that join OM, yes, which is perpendicular to AB such that A dash M dash B. Are you getting? Now write down the, now let's write the proof. Let's listen to me very carefully, okay? With respect to the small circle, segment OM perpendicular to PQ, yes, such that P dash M dash Q, yes, and PM is equal to MQ. This is equation number 1. Now why this happened? Why PM is equal to MQ? Because perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle bisect the chord. Yes, no? This is the theorem we have learned. So you have to write down segment OM is perpendicular to chord PQ. Therefore PM is equal to MQ. Equation number 1. This with respect to smaller circle. Now with respect to bigger circle, OM is perpendicular to AB such that A dash M dash B, yes, and therefore AM is equal to BM, yes, AM is equal to BM. This is equation number 2. The reason is the perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. Let's do the subtraction. Now subtracting equation 1 from 2, AM minus PM is equal to MB minus MQ. AM minus PM is equal to MB minus BQ. MQ. Are you getting what I have done? Yes. Now just look at the diagram. This is the whole AM. If we subtract PM from this, what do you have got? AP. What do you have got? AP. Yes. Now second part, MB. If we subtract MQ, what do you have got? BQ. So AP is equal to BQ. And what they have told to prove, and what we have proved, AP is equal to BQ. Hence, are you getting? This is the simplest theorem. Okay. Next, sixth example. Prove that the diameter of a circle bisect two chords of a circle, then those two chords are parallel to each other. See, there is nothing is given. Just they have told us to prove that diameter of a circle bisect two chords, then these two chords are parallel. If they bisect these two chords, then two chords got parallel. Okay, this is we have to prove. Now you have to draw the diagram, name those, and then you are going to write the given data. O is the center of a circle. Yes, segment PQ is the diameter of a circle and it bisects the chord A, B and CD at point M and N respectively. Yes, what we have to prove is chord AB parallel to chord CD. Now write down let's start the proof. Point M is the midpoint of chord AB. It is given. Therefore, segment OM is perpendicular to AB. If M is the midpoint, then OM is the perpendicular to AB. Yes, no? And next, if N is the midpoint of a chord, then therefore ON is perpendicular to CD. What is the reason? The line segment joining the center of a circle and the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. If they are joining center of a circle and it is midpoint of a chord, then it's bisect the, then it is perpendicular to the chord. Therefore, OMA and ONC is equal to 90 degree. Now, parallel lines and they are, it is the second lesson, parallel lines, yes. And from this property, if you can see the one side of parallel, one side of two lines, this is the two angles, yes, whose measurement is 90 degree, yes. Measure of angle M and measure of angle N is equal to 90 degree. We have already proved that. But we know that it's transversal, yes. Now you can see that if these are the two lines and PQ is the transversal, if these two angles are 90 degree and 90 degree, yes, no. Now measure of angle OMC plus measure of angle ONC is equal to 90 degree plus 90 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. Yes, now there is a property of parallel lines and its transversal is if the internal angles of one side of transversal, if addition of internal angles of one side of transversal is 180 degree, then the two lines are parallel. Now, by the property of measures of internal angles of the one side of transversal is 180 degree, then the lines are parallel. Therefore, by using this property, we can say that chord AB is parallel to chord CD. Are you getting? Yes. So here the exercise 6.1 is completed. If you like the video, subscribe the channel, share this video to your friends so that they can get help. Also, like this video. Okay, see you soon. Let's learn some more theorems in the next lecture. Thank you.